Hi, my name is Sindhuja and I am a performance engineer at MathWorks.
Hello everyone, my name is Neeraj. I'm a performance engineer at MathWorks. In this video, we will show how MATLAB Profiler, which now features Flame Graph, can help optimize your code. Here, I have a financial data modeling function called oprice animation. I often find myself waiting for it to complete, so I would like to improve its performance. I can use the MATLAB Profiler to identify the code that takes the most time to run. I start by clicking the Run and Time button in the toolstrip to run the code and measure the time each line takes. Once the code has finished running, the MATLAB Profiler opens, showing the summary page with the profiling result. MATLAB Profiler is redesigned in R 2028 and includes an exciting new feature called Flame Graph. Firstly, we have a new toolstrip at the top that includes a lot of convenience functionalities. Next, we have Profile Summary Title that shows the total profiling time. Now we see the Flame Graph section. Flame Graph shows visual representation of the time MATLAB spent running the code. Each function that was run is represented by a bar in the Flame Graph. User-defined functions display in blue, and MathWorks functions display in gray. The functions in the Flame Graph display in hierarchical order, with parent functions appearing lower on the graph and children functions appearing higher on the graph. The width of a bar on the Flame Graph represents the amount of time it took for the function to run as a percentage of the total runtime. It is very easy to identify the performance bottlenecks by inspecting the Flame Graph. Here, for oprice animation function, we see that make labels is the biggest performance bottleneck. Flame Graph is interactive. Hovering on the bar for make labels function shows the full function name as well as the actual percentage and time value spent. Finally, below the Flame Graph, we have function table that displays entire executed functions similar to Flame Graph.
I will be taking you through the rest of this demo. On the summary page, note that makeLabels is the most time-consuming function in oprice animation. Clicking on the function takes you to the detailed view for makeLabels, showing its total time and total number of calls. Also, note that the Flame Graph is zoomed to the function under consideration, that is, makeLabels. The busy lines table in this view gives you the top 5 lines of code in descending order that are potential performance bottlenecks, with corresponding data on number of calls and total time for that line. This is usually a great place to start the investigation. It looks like lines concerning X label and Y label of the makeLabels function is taking a long time. Let's click on the line number for Y label. Clicking on the line number will take you to the function listing section of the detail view where you can view the line of code in context of surrounding code. Clicking on the line number here will take you to the MATLAB editor with the click line highlighted. To understand why makeLabels is a bottleneck, we look at the function definition. On first glance, we can see that X label and Y label are being called in makeLabels, although they have no dependence on the function arguments. Also, makeLabels is being called in a loop. So, we can optimize this function by bringing X label and Y label out of the makeLabels function. To understand if the optimizations work and how much they helped, let's reprofile the optimized code. You can see that the time dropped from 3.2 seconds to 1.9 seconds, owing to considerable reduction in time spent in X label and Y label. You can continue this process of exploring for performance optimizations by looking further into the detail view. For example, can makeLabels function be further optimized by modifying the usage of title? In summary, MATLAB Profiler now includes flame graphs, Profiling and identifying performance hotspots is much easier and more intuitive. Use the MATLAB Profiler to identify performance issues and to speed up your code.